Dear students, today we are going to revise the chapter Hardware and Software through this video. What is hardware? The physical parts of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. A human body consists of different parts. The outer parts of a body are visible, but the parts like brain, lungs, etc., which are inside our body, cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware that are outside, like monitor and keyboard, which are attached to the CPU by some cables. Let's take an example of a music player. Like while music is playing, you can touch the music player, that is hardware, but you can't touch the song, which is known as software. Hardware of a computer is further classified into three parts: input, output, and storage devices. Let's talk about input devices. There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers, sounds, or pictures into a computer are known as input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. Mouse. It is used to select and move the objects on the screen, which is also known as a pointing device. Keyboard. It is used to enter text into the computer system. Microphone, which is used to record our voice or other sounds in the computer system. Let's talk about the output devices. The devices which displays the information and results are known as output devices. For example, monitor, printer, etc. Monitor. A monitor which looks like a TV screen. It is used to display the text that we type on a computer and the images that we draw. Printer gives the output on a paper, which is also known as a hard copy, whereas speaker, which is used to listen to music and sounds stored in our computer system. Now, what are storage devices? The devices used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage devices which stores the entire work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, pen drive, and DVD are also used to store the information. Hard disk. It is already placed in the computer which can store a huge amount of data. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It can also store text files, pictures, audio, and video files. DVD. A DVD also looks like a CD which can store more amount of data with comparison to CD. Pen drive. It is a small storage device mainly used to store or transfer data from one computer to another. It is easily handled device, or you can say you can carry it anywhere with you in a pocket. Now let's talk about software. What is software? Software is that part of a computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software in it. Without software, we can't even start a computer. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software. It is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. or you can say it performs the basic functions of a computer and controls the overall working of a computer like operating system. Operating system is a part of a system software that makes the computer run. It manages all the input and output operation. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user. Let's take an example of a car. Like, take the case of a car, it has a petrol, engine, wheel, everything. But if you don't have a driver, you can't move a car. Similarly, our operating system is the driver of a computer which make it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. Now let's talk about application software. It helps you to do a specific type of work. For example, MS Paint, MS WordPad, etc. Like in Paint, you can do painting and you can draw many pictures. You can take the example of calculator also. Like you can use the calculator for doing some calculation work. Thank you.